development coach and consultant, providing solutions to businesses in their people development strategy. My vision is to partner with 100 business owners and HR function heads in their journey of people development by 2025. In my earlier videos related to HR, I have talked about the various processes which are required for talent sourcing and talent acquisition under the pre-hiring and hiring processes. In this, I am going to talk about the challenges that the entrepreneurs and HR professionals face and how you can find solutions to these issues. Starting with the basic challenges like candidate relocation, communication issues between the recruiting and the hiring managers, I will delve into topics related to leveraging new technologies, digitization and implementation of AI or artificial intelligence in the HR space. Have you faced a situation where the business asks you to get a candidate hired for a position even before someone resigns? Well, this is a statement which I have heard in my role as a Circle HR head. The intent behind this statement is that any delay in hiring impacts business operations directly. But one thing that the business operations should also relate to is that the rolling out of an offer and acceptance might take some time. What can be a few factors? Maybe 1, talent shortage, 2, speed of hiring, 3, candidate relocation, and maybe something that affects it, 4, poor communication between the HR and hiring managers. What can be the reason for the talent shortage? A big reason for the talent shortage is the widening skill gap. Skill set required versus skill set available. Korn Ferry has conducted a research in this regard and found that by 2030, the global talent shortage can grow to a whopping 85.2 million. A key to have consistent growth in this area are constant learning and development of the employees, both by the employers to provide those opportunities and by the employees to develop their skill set. The employers must shift their focus to upskill their new and existing employees because finding new talent with the required skill set will grow with time. Many companies are looking at ways to attract the top talent to their organization. So how do you attract talent from a small number of qualified candidates? Make sure that your employer brand is modern, strong and well represented because that will go a long way to attract both candidates, active and passive. Every candidate researches your company online and when they do, they should be able to easily learn all there is to know about your culture, mission and values. The brighter ones would be inquisitive about the learning opportunities, helping them grow if they are selected for the advertised position. You must include these in the job ads while posting them. The next issue being faced by you is the speed of hiring. This issue can be looked at by proactively building the talent pool. So what are the ways in which these can be built? One of the ways can be to invite potential candidates to join your talent network. Learn more about the company as an employer and stay updated with your company's open positions. To do this, your active presence on LinkedIn and the update of your company job page will be necessary. Apply lead generation strategy in recruitment. This consists of creating events or content which the prospective candidates would find interesting and meaningful. It helps to trigger them to consider your company as their next employment option. Unfortunately, many employers still wait for a new position to open up and then they start collecting the applications. This creates a delay. To generate recruitment leads, you can explore a few options, which are 1. Write career blog posts. These posts need to have a purpose. For example, at the end of each blog post, you should have a call to action like apply to the open positions or join our talent network. 2. Talent network. The talent network is a pool of candidates interested in your company or open positions but not ready to hit that apply button yet. They might be the perfect candidates. Share an online form with them and ask them to fill in details like name, position of interest, and attach their resume. Having these details in your database would help you later on in converting them from interested candidates to job applicants. 3. Local events, workshops, and meets. Explore and attend local events, workshops, or meetings related to your industry. Experts from your company present about the topics and answer the questions of the candidates. Then you must collect the basic details of the candidates. This would add to your database of the prospective candidates. 4th, ebooks and career guide. Ask your marketing team to write a guidebook on how to start your career in operations, or maybe an ebook like how to get into sales profession. This would depend on the type of job opening which you are eyeing candidates for. Next, start sharing these on the career sites, career blog, or the social media platforms. Ask for some basic information from anyone who is downloading them. These may be the leads you can explore. 5th, online webinars. This is the new recruitment lead generation method which is yet to come into full swing. Instead of organizing a local event, organize an online webinar, especially for global positions. Though it is similar in content to an ebook or a guide, it is a mode to explore candidates from across the globe. Have a 45-minute to 1 hour webinar and target this to the type of candidates whom you want to attract. These are a few of the resources that you can explore to increase the speed of hiring and having a pipeline. Another aspect which would be helpful in increasing the speed would be the automation. There are many administrative tasks which are required, like reviewing resumes, parsing them, scheduling interviews, and many more. Look into getting these automated to speed up things using software like applicant tracking systems and all. These would be helpful. Next issue that is faced by the professionals is around the relocation of the candidates who are being considered. The digital channels have opened up various regions as your playground. You are exploring employees transcending borders, city, state, or country. A new challenge this brings in is around the relocation. Does your employer branding provide enough value to the candidate to leave their current job and relocate to the offered location? One thing that we as humans are resistant to is change. When you are asking any person to relocate, you are asking them to change, and a change which is expensive. So, you may be offering a competitive package, but there is a serious consideration that the candidate would give to the revised cost of living, the kids' admissions, and housing rent in that offered location. In order to overcome this challenge, it is important that the company reviews the relocation packages which are region specific. It should cover those expenses which the candidate would look at. Inform the candidate about these packages while finalizing the offer. If you are able to personalize this for every qualified candidate, believe me, it will go a long way to entice them to relocate to the offered location and accept the offer. Communication competence, lack of which creates most bottlenecks. Communication competence refers to the knowledge of effective and appropriate communication patterns and the ability to use and adapt that knowledge in various contexts. A lack of communication between the hiring managers and recruiters usually leads to poor candidate experience, and at times the candidate might even drop off at some stage of hiring. This creates a bad employer brand which seriously compromises the employer's ability to attract top talent. Though the final goal of both the recruiter and the hiring manager is to get the best possible candidate in the least time frame. Poor communication between them often leads to a tense relationship affecting the hiring process. The hiring managers are the subject matter experts in their space, but sometimes they are unable to effectively share their needs for the open vacancies, leading to inaccurate expectations and hiring process gaps. According to a statistic, 51% recruiters say that the hiring managers should do a better job of communicating what they want. To maintain a healthy relationship with the hiring manager, a key is proactive communication. Instead of shooting mails one after another, pick up the phone and ask specific questions. Few minutes over the phone would clear all confusion and avoid the endless mails. If both the hiring manager and recruiter are based out of the same office, it would be better to have a small discussion over a cup of tea or coffee to iron out the things. Hope the learning from this video will be helpful in you finding solutions to some of the issues related to talent sourcing and talent acquisition. Like the video, comment your takeaways, and share the video with your contacts to spread awareness. Subscribe to the channel Neil Kapoor and press on the bell icon for notifications around the new video releases. You can connect with me for any support required around people development required for you or your organization on the contact details at the end of this video. Remember, every problem has a solution. You should just know where to find it. Thank you and all the best.